The Nicewell 22lb digital kitchen scale is a multifunctional, high-precision tool designed to enhance your cooking, baking, and meal tracking. It features 4 high-precision load sensors that provide accurate measurements in increments of 1 gram/0.1 ounces, with a range of 0.1 ounces to 22 pounds or 3 grams to 10 kilograms. The scale has a 9 by 6.3 platform and an easy-to-read LCD display that shows measurements in grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces, fluid ounces, and milliliters. The durable tempered glass platform and stainless steel surface make it both sleek and easy to clean, and it includes a tare function for subtracting container weight. Batteries and a hook for storage are included for added convenience. Customers are impressed with the precision of the Nicewell scale, noting that the 1 gram/0.1 ounces sensitivity is perfect for measuring small or large ingredients. The large 9 by 6.3 platform is also praised for comfortably holding larger items like bowls or plates. Users appreciate the multifunctionality of the scale, which allows them to switch between different units easily for cooking, baking, and portion control. The tempered glass and stainless steel surface is lauded for its durability, anti-fingerprint finish, and ease of cleaning. Many users find the tare function especially useful for getting accurate measurements without container weight, and the included batteries and hook add to its convenience. Some users have noted that the blue protective film can be difficult to remove cleanly, leaving residue if not peeled off carefully. A few mentioned that the auto shutoff feature activates too quickly, which may interrupt weighing if left inactive for too long, especially during multitasking. While the tempered glass surface is sturdy, some customers pointed out that it may be prone to smudging and scratches over time, and regular cleaning is necessary to maintain its appearance. Additionally, a small number of users felt that the battery life could be longer, but replacing the included AAA batteries is simple. The Nicewell 22lb digital kitchen scale is an excellent choice for anyone who values precision and ease of use in the kitchen. With its 1 gram/0.1 ounces accuracy, multiple unit options, and large platform, it is perfect for everything from cooking and baking to meal prep and portion control. While the auto shutoff and blue protective film might be minor inconveniences for some, the overall performance, durability, and ease of cleaning make this scale a valuable tool for everyday kitchen use. Its sleek design, tare function, and included batteries make it a great addition to any kitchen.